This is Alex, a small business owner swamped with tasks. Between juggling emails, texts, and calls from customers, following up on leads, and managing invoices, there's hardly time for anything else. It's a story many can relate to. But what if there was a way to cut through the chaos? Enter EmpowrSoft, the all-in-one platform designed to streamline your business operations. First off, the unified inbox, a game changer for Alex, consolidating all messages in one place. No more app hopping, just seamless communication. Next, EmpowrSoft takes on the follow-up frenzy with automated sequences. Now, Alex's leads receive timely communications, nurturing them from cold contacts to warm prospects without lifting a finger. And invoicing? EmpowrSoft turns what used to be a headache into a breeze. With online invoicing, bills are sent directly to customers' inboxes, speeding up payments and keeping the cash flowing. From overwhelmed to in control, Alex watches as EmpowrSoft transforms the way his business operates. Tasks that once ate up hours are now handled efficiently, giving Alex more time to grow his business. EmpowrSoft isn't just a tool, it's the solution to the everyday problems small business owners face. Ready to take your business to the next level like Alex? Sign up for EmpowrSoft today and start your journey towards streamlined success.